Welcome to the Roswell Amps workshop, where here we have a Tec Argosy II. A warm welcome to amateur radio enthusiasts. Most of my videos I make are of guitar amplifiers, but this is my own personal rig. I bought it as a spares repair off eBay some years ago, and I've just got round to fixing it up. Now this video I want to go over a couple of very practical and useful modifications I've done to it. But I bought it with the blown RF output transistors, the MRF 476 and 477 transistors, and the PA board had blown. They're obsolete now. I found out that they were the only transistors that would really work. I've tried some 2SC1307s and the kind of thing that's running CB transceivers, but I couldn't get the full output. They're not rated high enough. So I managed to get some sent over from the USA from a good friend who I'd sent him some guitar amplifier parts, and he kindly got me the transistors, the original Motorola's. Beware of Chinese fakes. They will not work. So let's take a look at these mods. Now you may just be able to see this little board here that I've built on Variboard. That's to switch HF linear. I decided it'd be nice to run this rig sort of about 10 watts out, and if needed I can switch my TL922 to hopefully spare these transistors getting too hot. I don't want them blowing again. They were hard enough to get in the first place, so if I can sort of idle this away at 10 watts, then my linear will probably be running 150, 200 watts out. That'll be enough. So we need to switch the relay, and Tec did a modification and they made available the 1126 board. Now this is the schematic of it. It's very simple. When the transmit line goes high, it switches the transistor on, it closes the relay, and these contacts switch the antenna relays in the linear. But this was designed for old school, when the TL922s and the say ETH kits and that sort of thing, they would use high voltage relays. So you'd got 150 volts on the line, so you had to use this relays type setup. It's got a little delay circuit, and this is to prevent hot switching. Now I've modified this circuit. I've eliminated the relay. It's just the same thing, but instead of the relay we've just got a 10k resistor there. So transmit goes high, switches the transistor on, and this point goes between high 12 volts and 0 volts. My linear has been heavily modified for full QSK braking, and it's a low voltage switching, and this switches it nicely. I also modified the delay circuit. Instead of 33 microfarad, this is now 10 microfarad, so it'll switch much quicker, and it works great. I put the 500 PF in there just to hopefully prevent any RF getting on the line. You could fit this to other rigs. I may do this to my Omni 6, which I've got, because that's got a relay to switch the linear. So the other modification I've done is I've fitted a relay to switch the thing on and off. You can see the relay there. So the schematic for that is very simple. It's a call of 10 minutes to do. This kind of thing's used in many transceivers. The contacts of the on-off switch cannot switch 10 amps or so use a little sleeve relay. This is the switch on the volume control. So when you switch that over, it closes the relay and switches the main 13.8 to the rest of the set. Couldn't switch it on and off before because I don't have the matching 10 Tec power supply. Another advantage of this is these two wires to the on-off switch originally carried 120, or if it was a UK model, 240 volts. So you'd get hum pick up from these wires. This eliminates that. So again, two practical modifications that will improve the operating enjoyment of the whole thing, the experience. So I hope it's been of interest, and thanks for watching.